Hi, my name is Pop. I am making a video tutorial about spreadsheets, how you can protect cells. I am going to open up a spreadsheet. I'm going to Applications, Office, LibreOffice Calc. More than likely, you will be using a different spreadsheet. More than likely, you are using Microsoft Excel either on a PC or on a Macintosh. This is LibreOffice Calc, and I'm using it on Linux Ubuntu. There are some slight differences in detail, but the principles are the same. First of all, I'm going to do some preliminary get in the right ballpark stuff. This is column D. Columns go up and down, and this is column F. They are vertical. Now I am in row 6. Rows go across. This is row 9. But right here I am in a cell, and a cell is the intersection of a column and a row, and it's called C4. You name the column first, then the row. The letter of the alphabet comes first. This would be E7. Now you can alter or erase or overwrite any cell in this spreadsheet. You can delete rows, you can add rows, you can delete columns, you can add columns. There are no restrictions. But occasionally you may find yourself accidentally erasing something important. You may have sort of a form to fill out, and you only want to fill out certain cells. You may have a formula, very complicated, that references another cell or row or column, and you don't want to do accidental erasure. And let's say you accidentally write 1 in this cell, and it had a very complicated formula, and you say, oh no, what am I going to do? Well, you can go up here to edit and put undo input, and you're back to where you were. Beyond that, you can protect these cells or groups of cells, or this entire sheet, or more than one sheet, or the entire document, which consists of all of the sheets. And the way you do it is a little bit complicated, but I'm going to explain how you do it in LibreOffice Calc. It may be different in Excel or Quattro Pro or Lotus 123. Up in your Format tab, there is Cells, and there are all of these tabs across the top, and the last one is Cell Protection. And this says, is this cell protected? Well, that's funny. It says it's protected, but you can't alter it, right? Well, that's because I haven't turned on cell protection, which is in a different place. That's kind of backwards sounding. I'm going to go to Tools and show you that briefly. We're going to go down to, where is it? Protect a document. Well, I can protect one sheet. We're in sheet 1 right now. Or I can protect the entire document. I don't want to do that yet. First of all, I want to concentrate on the cell itself, the cell I'm talking about, and I want to turn off cell protection in this one cell. And let me do that. OK. And I'm in E7. Now when I go to Tools and go down to Protect Document, and I'm going to click on Sheet, Now it gets even more complicated. They ask you, Do you want a password? Well, I'm going to ignore that whole password business for the time being. And then beyond there, do you want the users to be able to select the locked cells? I mean, can you even go there? Okay, I'll say, yeah, you can go there. And do you want to select the unlocked cells? Do you want to be able to let users go to unlocked cells? This is getting very complicated. You want to be completely awake when you do this. I'm going to hit OK. Alright, here I am. I'm in E7. And I'm going to just type in something. Okay, that works. Let's go to E6. I can go there. I told it, yeah, you can go there, but I'm going to try to type in a 1. Protected cell cannot be modified. Everywhere else on this spreadsheet, I can go there, but I cannot alter it. Well, in order to expand this to other cells, I'm going to have to go to Tools, and I'm going to have to go to Protect Document and turn it off. And then let's say I want to be able to change this, and let's say only these. I'm going to then select this and go to Format. I'm going to go to Cells, Cell Protection, and I'm going to turn it off. OK. And now when I go back to Tools and Protect Document and Sheet, I can select unlocked cells. I'll hit OK. Now, let's see. I can move anywhere. And let's see if I can change this. Yes. But let's try changing this. No, I can't go anywhere else. I'm going to turn this off again. Now let's try something else. Turn it back on. Sheet. And here it asks me, can you select the locked cells? I'm going to say no. Certainly I want to be able to select the unlocked cells. Now I'll hit OK. Now look, I'm in a cell that I'm not allowed to go to. But I think that's a temporary state. Let me go up with the up key. It went. I didn't just go up one cell. I went to the cells that I can alter. I'm going to change that. Let's see if I can change all of these. Yes, I can. Now, let me click right here and see what happens. Nothing. You can't even go there. You can only go to the cells so designated. Now, to help you out, if you wanted to, you could go to Cells, and you could go to Background and color the cells that are open, or color the cells that are not open. And in this manner you could make a sort of a form. Say light blue background would be where you have your information that you cannot alter, and the white background are the cells where you can alter. And I hope this information was helpful. My name is Pop. I have a whole bunch of videos that I have made which are tutorials. Some are called Ubuntu Basics and some are called Spreadsheet Basics, and I have some on other topics. And I would like to hear from people. Thank you very much.